Hello, my name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be talking about staying active while you're learning. Passive learning no longer will work for you. And what happens when we're really little, we're really young, we can just learn automatically. But as we get older, 16, 17, 18, 19, etc., passive learning doesn't work as well. As we age, it's harder for us to just absorb information. We have to be active learners, right? So active learning is key to your success in college, right? Some approaches to activate your learning. Take notes while you're reading, during class, brainstorming projects. Stay active while you're doing these things, right? Engage in classroom discussions or online discussions. Get engaged. Think about what it means to you. Ask yourself questions. Ask questions of others, right? Think about this. How does this apply to me? That's how you stay active. Have a good one.